In this tutorial, we'll learn how to configure and program the qtHotel application, a centralized solution for managing and monitoring hotel rooms from the reception desk or management station. qtHotel allows staff to control key room functions, including lighting, air conditioning, and HVAC, floor heating, room scenes, and other automation features, all from a single interface. The application also provides real-time room notifications, enabling staff to respond quickly to guest needs and operational events. These notifications can include cleaning requests, do not disturb status, service requests, maintenance alerts, and other room-related messages. Let's get started. Step 1. Access the Settings menu. To begin the configuration process, open the qtHotel application. Navigate to the Settings menu. When prompted, enter the default password, TS777. After entering the password, you will have access to the system configuration menus. Step 2. Create a new hotel project. Navigate to Project Manager. Select Add Project. Enter a project name corresponding to the hotel name. For example, Grand Hotel, City Center Hotel, Resort Demo Project. During project creation, you can also define the acceptable indoor temperature range for guest rooms. This allows the system to generate future notifications whenever a room temperature exceeds the configured minimum or maximum limits. Once the new project has been created and the project database has been selected, the default database named Home can be safely removed if it is no longer required. Step 3. Configure the network connection. To establish communication between the qtHotel application and the TIS automation system, open Network Settings. Enter the configuration password, TS777. The gateway can be added using either of two methods: automatic detection, manual configuration. For automatic detection, press and hold the PRG button on the TIS gateway for approximately 7 seconds. In the application, select Search. The application will automatically locate the gateway and retrieve its configuration information. Once detected, the gateway details will be populated automatically. For manual gateway configuration, enter the following information: gateway subnet and device ID, subnet mask, MAC address, server address, gateway password. After entering the required information, save the configuration. If you do not wish to save the server address and password in the gateway module, simply select Cancel to exit without making any changes to the gateway module. The settings will be saved only within the software. After configuration, verify the connection. A red indicator confirms successful gateway communication, correct settings, and readiness for operation. Once the network connection is verified, you can proceed with room tablets, device assignment, floor and room adding. These topics will be covered in the following video.